Hey, what is up guys? This is John from Magic Tech Review, and in today's video I'm literally going to tell you how to unlock your Straight Talk phone. So I did do a video claiming or telling you guys when it would unlock. Now I'm actually going to tell you the procedure to actually unlock the phone. So go ahead and leave a big like on the video if you enjoy the content. Go ahead and subscribe to become part of the Magic Tech Review family, and comment down below if you'd like to see any more tutorials, what you'd like to see, how you'd like to see it, or whatever. Alright, so basically this is how to get your Straight Talk phone unlocked. Step 1. From your actual Straight Talk phone, this is not a Straight Talk phone by the way guys, this is an unlocked phone, but I am showing you the procedure here. From your actual Straight Talk phone, text unlock to 611-611. So as you guys can see, that's what I did right here for a visual aid. 611-611, and then you just type in unlocked. Alright, it says step 2. You're going to wait for an automatic text, and it will tell you when your phone will unlock with a date. This is an automatic procedure. So basically your next thing that you're going to see here is going to say, you know, your phone is unlocked, or your phone will be unlocked at such and such time. So remember guys, if you activated after November 25th 2021, service on Straight Talk branded phones automatically unlock on day 60. Alright, so that's 2 months guys, just remember that. Now if you activated it before 11/25, so November 25th, it is still 1 year from activation date. Remember, you cannot have service interruptions in between, or that will push your unlocking date back further. So just remember guys, you have to have the service on the phone that you're using. You have to keep it on there. You can't be switching from phone to phone to phone to phone and then expecting the phone to be unlocked. So I would suggest if you bought it before November 25th, just go ahead and keep it, you know, keep your phone on the service or on the network that you want. Or if you really don't think that you're going to go ahead and get that phone unlocked and you're just going to not do it, just go ahead, bite the bullet, and probably just go ahead and buy a new phone that you're going to want to unlock, and then go ahead and unlock it when you're ready. So it's only 60 days guys, so you know, that's really cool. Anyways, this has been John from Magic Tech Review. Hopefully you guys liked the tutorial. I wanted to keep it nice, short, and sweet. Leave likes, leave comments, share this video out to anybody else that needs to unlock their Straight Talk device. Thank you guys for watching.